Ever wondered how those sleek, easy to navigate online stores come to life? Or how businesses transform their vision into a digital shopping experience? Are you curious about what goes into building a successful online store and why having the right expertise is crucial? If these questions intrigue you, you are in the right place. Let's dive into the world of Shopify e-commerce development. So, what exactly is Shopify e-commerce development? Simply put, it's a process of creating and optimizing online stores using Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform that empowers businesses to set up, run, and scale their online shops with ease. But why is this so important? Well, in today's digital age, a robust online presence is essential for any business looking to reach and engage with customers. Shopify provides a powerful platform to create an engaging, user-friendly shopping experience. But it's not just about setting up a website. It's about creating a comprehensive, well-designed and effective online store. This is where a Shopify e-commerce development company comes into play. These specialists don't just build online stores, they tailor solutions to meet your unique business needs. From customizing themes and integrating apps to ensuring a seamless checkout process and optimizing for mobile devices. Their expertise ensures your store isn't just functional but exceptional. Why do you need a Shopify development company? Well, they bring several key advantages to the table. They understand the intricacies of Shopify's platform, can optimize your store for better performance, and provide ongoing support to keep everything running smoothly. Their goal is to make sure your store is not only attractive and user-friendly, but also built to convert visitors into customers. In summary, whether you are launching a new store or looking to enhance an existing one, partnering with a Shopify e-commerce development company can make all the difference. They turn your vision into reality, help you navigate the complexities of online selling, and ultimately drive your business growth. And when it comes to Shopify e-commerce development, Softtrix stands out as the best choice for your needs. Why? Because we offer a comprehensive approach that combines creativity, technical expertise, and a deep understanding of your business goals. At Softtrix, we don't just create online stores, we build tailored experiences that reflect your brand and resonate with your customers. Our team excels in custom theme development, app integrations, performance optimization, and much more. We are committed to delivering solutions that not only look great but also drive sales. What sets Softtrix apart is our dedication to your success. We work closely with you to understand your vision and deliver a Shopify store that meets your specific needs. Our ongoing support ensures that your store continues to perform at its best, adapting to changes and opportunities as they arise. Ready to take your online store to the next level? Contact Softtrix today and discover why we are the best choice for your Shopify e-commerce development needs. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on e-commerce and digital solutions. Thanks once again.